Creating a profile surface, sampling offsets, adding for existing ground surface, changing the profile data to static. Next is creating a profile view from the profile surface we just created. From here also the update method can be changed, selecting the defaults and just clicking on an empty drawing space. Styles are there for existing and design. Second profile view is created. This is my another design drawing for a profile for existing ground level and the proposed level. Here is my default band of profile. This is the same one, plan having the ground data, logo points are there. Corridor is there, and the cross sections also I have created from assemblies. Another my sample drawing for cross sections. Here I have opted some advanced methods. Next is for introduction in the tool space, prospector, settings. Next is the drawing area. This is the command line. It can be floating also and resized to our needs. This is the panorama window. On the right it is the transparent commands toolbar, which enables users to draw things based on various geometric concepts. This is the ribbon quick access toolbar, where various workspace settings are there. F1 key for help or from application volume also. Alignment can be created from home panel, from create designs, profile, which is a series of lines and curves, surface. The styles can be changed. Borders, contours, slopes, elevation, definition of elevation, or level. Next is the contours. Surface can be shown by contours, which are the lines of same level. Various styles can be managed. labels and label styles for a profile view. I am doing a station with elevation. This is another profile 6C drawing from the help menu of Civil 3D. I will just create a data shortcut. Data shortcuts are saved outside the drawing so that can be accessed from any other new design file or on a team also. This drawing has a bridge road having alignment and profile views also. This is a center line of a road. Under prospector, there is a data shortcut menu. Create a new data. Various data is available in this drawing will be displayed. You can check the ridge road and the various profiles. This has come in now the data shortcuts. I will create another new drawing. From data shortcuts, I will create a new reference in this blank drawing, and this alignment has been drawn. Now I will try to create a profile view for this alignment, but profile display options are none because I have just created an alignment from data shortcuts, not the profiles or profile views that can be seen from the prospector. Prospector is the location where all the data of this current drawing, active drawing, is visible. There no profile is found or visible. So I will just remove, erase or delete the profile view. I will create reference. This was the layout in the profiles, which can be seen in the profiles. On the profile data, I have the data of my profile. Style is there, and this is my profile view.